China is boldly stepping into the race to put its first astronaut on the moon, a venture filled with excitement and high stakes. This week, the country made a significant leap by testing its lunar lander for the very first time, pushing its ambitious space program closer to achieving a historic manned lunar mission before 2030. But here's where it gets controversial. With global space agencies vying for dominance, China's rapid progress challenges the longtime leaders of lunar exploration, stirring up competition and debate. On August 7th, China Manned Space, CMS, announced that they successfully completed a thorough trial of their lunar lander's ascent and descent mechanisms. This test took place in Hebei province at a specialized facility designed to replicate the moon's surface conditions as accurately as possible. The testing ground featured a unique surface treatment that imitates the reflectivity of actual lunar soil, complete with rocks and craters to make the simulation as realistic as possible. This kind of detailed preparation is crucial because the moon's environment presents numerous challenges, such as low gravity and rough terrain, which must be accounted for to ensure safe landings and takeoffs. CMS emphasized the complexity and significance of this milestone, noting that the test involved long-duration operations under a range of conditions. Such comprehensive verification represents a pivotal step toward realizing China's manned lunar exploration dreams. The lander, named Lanwei, meaning embrace the moon in Mandarin, is envisioned as more than just a transport vehicle. It will ferry astronauts between lunar orbit and the surface, but also serve as their living quarters, provide power, and act as a central hub for collecting and transmitting data while on the moon. This multifunctional design highlights China's strategy of building sustainable lunar missions rather than brief visits. China's moon ambitions have largely been shrouded in secrecy, with limited public disclosures until now. The timing of this announcement is particularly notable, coinciding with heightened attention from the United States, which aims to counterbalance China's rapid strides in space exploration. NASA's Artemis program, for instance, plans to send astronauts around the moon by April 2026 and hopes to achieve a manned lunar landing by 2027. This sets up an intriguing space race dynamic, with both nations pushing the boundaries of what is technologically and logistically possible. What many might not realize is that China is already unique in its ability to collect lunar samples from both the near side, the familiar face of the moon visible from Earth, and the far side, which is permanently hidden from our view. Their uncrewed missions over the past 5 years have made these remarkable achievements possible. These sample returns have garnered considerable interest from international bodies like the European Space Agency and numerous NASA-funded academic institutions, as well as national space organizations spread across Asia, from Pakistan to Thailand. This international curiosity underlines the potential scientific value of China's lunar endeavors, even as geopolitical tensions simmer. Looking forward, the stakes get even higher. Should China accomplish a crewed moon landing ahead of 2030, it would give a substantial boost to their vision of establishing a basic model for an international lunar research station by 2035. This planned outpost, a joint project led by China and Russia, aims to build a sustained human presence on the moon. Intriguingly, it also plans to incorporate a nuclear reactor on the lunar surface to provide a reliable power source, showcasing a profound combination of advanced energy technology and space exploration. This bold vision raises several questions worth pondering. Will the international community embrace China's leadership in lunar exploration? Or will this intensify space-related rivalries? Could a nuclear-powered lunar base redefine how humanity approaches off-world living? Or will it spark safety and environmental concerns? And finally, how will these developments shape the future of global cooperation or competition in space? we invite readers to share their thoughts and perspectives. Do you see China's lunar ambitions as a positive stride toward human progress, or a provocative challenge to existing space powers? What are your hopes or worries about the impact of these advancements? Join the conversation and let us know whether you agree, disagree, or have insights to add.